Blessed love to one and all. Salamta, give thanks for your presence. Honorable Priest Isaac here with you. Just announcing to one and all that the first in our video lecture series is now available as promised by the 15th of June, and today is the 13th as far as the recording of this of June 2018. Yes, we have available already is Haile Selassie I, a Freemason. An hour and a half worth of information for you. As I said, it has been prepared in a lecture form where I took the lecture and of course presented the slides and the pictures for you, so you could see and get a good understanding of what we are saying as it relates to that subject and to that topic. So as we said, of course, my brothers and sisters, everyone that is a part of our subscription team as it relates to the Mystic Vibration radio program, you will and you should have already received that lecture in your inbox, in your email. So if you know that you are a subscriber, not to the YouTube channel, you are a subscriber to the Mystic Vibration, the Shock of the Hour program that is every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 6 p.m. on Radio Anu. Once you have subscribed for that and you receive your programs on the nightly or even on a morning basis, well, for sure by now you should have already received the video lecture is Haile Selassie I, a Mason. It should have already been in your inbox by now, so you should go and check it. Now again, for those specifically who are interested in getting a copy of this first, remember this is just the first. A wonderful plane is passing over there. Remember, this is just the first in the series of video lectures that we will be doing. We will be doing a video lecture, one per month. So every month you could be sure that we're bringing out a brand new video lecture. Of course, good. Now, as I said before, once you are a subscriber, and I think I need to explain this again because some people are missing the concept of subscribing to the Mystic Vibration. It has nothing to do with pressing the subscribe button on the YouTube channel at all. For you to subscribe to the Mystic Vibration, you have to contact me. You contact me via the email or you contact me via the WhatsApp. You know the information. You could even go into the link in the description below. You'll see that link. The number, area code 1268-728-3162, and of course email priestisaac27@gmail.com. But what you really get with your subscription, again, every evening we do the Mystic Vibration program, the Shock of the Hour program, which is approximately an hour. Sometimes we go over, and every night we have a specific topic or a different topic, unless we're doing a series. And what it is that when the program is completed, we send off the program via the email to the inbox of those who have subscribed to the Mystic Vibration. So as I said before, if you are a subscriber, you would know the whole understanding of what I'm explaining, that every evening or every morning you get your program. Now, once you are a subscriber, you do not have to purchase the video lecture that comes out every month. And this is why those who are already subscribing for the month of June, they do not have to pay for this lecture that we just released today. They should have already received that in their inbox. Now, if you're not a subscriber, you obviously would have to purchase the video, and it is only at the cost of 20 United States dollars. That's the video lecture, only 20 United States dollars, and it is not something that has to be shipped to you. We can send it straight again to your email. All I need is your email address, and press the button and you have it. But let me just add again, if you subscribe, even if you subscribe now for the month of June or whatever month you may be seeing this, you will get automatically, you will get the video for the month or the video lecture for the month, which again, this month being June happens to be the video, the first video that we've released in this series, this monthly series, is Haile Selassie, a Mason. And it is simple as that. The fee for the subscription is $50 a month, United States currency. And keeping in mind, with that $50 United States currency, on a daily level, you'll be getting information. At the end of the month, you would have between 16 to 20 hours just worth of information. In fact, you should prepare a folder. Don't just have it in your email piling up. Prepare a folder that you could store the different programs that I send to you. You know, create an archive, Priest Isaac's archives, or the Mystic Vibration archives, and all your programs. You know, they're already labeled, unless you want to relabel them, so they could already, you know, be stored in alphabetical order, or in a specific sequence, I should say, within your folder, or wherever you want to store them, in your cloud or whatever, you know. So that's it basically. Again, the first video lecture is now available. It is already completed. I mean, we break it down, man. You know, we don't have no time to be playing around. We break it down. We don't have no time for no guesswork. I'm going to be very straight. Sometimes it's good to hear people talk and hear people's opinion and hear what people think. But when it comes to the specific point, and get to the point, and let us be clear, we have done that on that documentary, or I should say on that video lecture, is Haile Selassie the First a Freemason. You know, as I said, we took an hour and a half. If you want to answer that question with clarity, and the most I could say to you is that you should definitely contact me to get a copy. You don't even know. When I was done, you know, it's almost like I wanted to cry. Not because, you know, of anything to do with the video directly, but, you know, I so wanted to put it on the YouTube. Even now I'm speaking to you, it's as if the Spirit is telling me, man, the YouTube. But then at the same time, you know, if you knew that those on the other side of the YouTube, you know, at least in a, you know, on a higher percentage, had a genuine outlook towards the work. Because that's it. When you put it on the YouTube, the people would not purchase it because it's on the YouTube. And to me, that's very sad. That's sad that we think like that. That shows me every single time that we don't understand that this is a war. We don't understand that we need to work together. It is so sad. As I said, I've put the Master of Ceremonies on the YouTube. People tell me to take it down all the time. I put the DVD documentary 7 on the YouTube. People tell me to take it down all the time. Of course, you know, we are working, almost completed the Night of the Black Tiger, which goes into the divinity of Marcus Messiah Garvey. People tell me, make sure you don't put that on the YouTube because people won't buy it. And you know, they are correct. That is true. But as I said, that is sad. You should understand, especially if you know, as you would say, many of us would say, you support the information, and you totally back the works that has been going on. So even if you see the Master of Ceremonies, you could still order a copy for yourself. The Master of Ceremonies is available. You can receive the Master of Ceremonies through your email as well. I don't have to ship it off to you. You could receive the whole DVD documentary of 7, the Divinity of King Emmanuel Charles Edwards, straight through your email as well. We don't have to ship it off to you. As you know, we're preparing ebooks that we don't have to ship off, straight to your email as well. And all you have to do is to contact us. So I'm just saying that to be very honest, man. It's just like an energy, like, wow, I would love the world, you know, to see, you know, the lecture that we did dealing with Haile Selassie and Freemasonry. I know I did a little thing on the YouTube, but that cannot be compared to the full-length lecture that I did. Concentrate on the subject, stick to the subject from beginning to end, and when I'm done, nobody can, you know, raise no objection whatsoever as it relates to what I have said, and I'm being very straight with that, you know. So I mean, every time I look at it, I say, man, I want to put this on the YouTube and just like more people to see. But to be very honest, people will take advantage of that, and it's sad. You know, even those who are watching, they would take advantage, and that's why I said before. I mean, we need to understand when it comes to commerce too. You know, we want a person to prepare lunch for you, and they give you the lunch, you know, for no price. You know, if they can do that, that's good. But then how will they prepare lunch for you tomorrow and then lunch for you the next day? If you could at least say, how much is the lunch? Oh, it's $10. You buy the lunch, you pay them for the lunch, they take the $10 and buy some more fruits and vegetables and whatever, and they, you know, prepare a next lunch for you, and you come back tomorrow and you buy another lunch. You know, that's how the science goes. But somewhere along the line, we feel as conscious people, we think that only works with the system. You know, I know we don't go to the supermarket and even ask them for a discount. You understand what I'm saying? When it comes to each other now, we are on a different realm. So now I have to deal with you like that, and that is sad, because that's not me. That's not me. You know, I have to sit, my own associates have to sit me down and say, Priest, you have over 100 videos on the YouTube. I said, I know. They say, Priest, you have a whole radio station, nobody pays to listen to it. I know. So don't feel bad. The videos on YouTube, they don't have to pay to listen to it, and you speak so many different things. Don't feel bad. You do a special documentary, you have it for sale, it's not for the YouTube. But trust me, after looking at that documentary that I did, if Haile Selassie is a Mason, oh my, I still wish to my heart that everyone could just freely see it. You know? But because I know some of us, we're not genuine as a unit, we just got to do it how we got to do it. So it's, you know, I know some of you are very genuine in heart, so it's available. All you have to do is to contact me, and I would send it straight. You could get it today. Today, you know. You contact me now, you WhatsApp me now, you email me now, and you say, my brother, how do I make the payment? Or my brother, I would like to even subscribe for the whole month of the Mystic Vibration, because I'm going to get the lecture free too, isn't it? Yeah, you get the lecture free as you subscribe for the month. Okay, fair enough. I'm subscribing now. Okay, I'm sending the lecture now. Press a button and you have it before you get up from the seat. You understand what I'm saying? So that's how we got to work, my brothers and sisters. Give me a call, you know, area code 12687283162. You call or WhatsApp me on that specific number. You will send a text, and of course, you know, you can email me, priestisaac27@gmail.com. Give thanks, my brothers and sisters. Selassie Jah Rastafari.